Nike once again dives deep into its legendary archives with the new Jordan Spizike Low Black, Wolf Gray, White, and Gym Red. Paying homage to the iconic 1989 Air Jordan 4 Bred, this hybrid sneaker fuses classic heritage with updated materials for a bold, nostalgic comeback. The design showcases a premium black upper, mixed textures, and speckled detailing reminiscent of Tinker Hatfield's original creation. Red accents highlight the Chicago Bulls-inspired theme, adding a touch of history and energy that fans of Spike Lee's Spizike series will instantly recognize. With its roots in basketball culture and streetwear fashion, this drop bridges past and present, proving once again why Nike's storytelling in sneakers remains unmatched. Expect the Jordan Spizike Low to release soon via Nike.com. Jordan, capturing both collectors and new fans looking to rock a piece of Air Jordan legacy.